let us be very clear. The government has not sold Zoya. The government is still the owner, 98% owner of Zoya Sugar Company. Just like most of us are owners of our farms, of our homes. But what the government has decided to do is to lease. That point has to be emphasized. To lease Zoya Sugar Company. It's not only Zoya which has been leased out. As we are speaking, I know my colleagues out there in Sony, Chemili, Moroni are also going through the same exercise as directed by the government. So on behalf of the board of management, the board of directors, the community here, I want to say, Wanarai, you're most welcome, welcome.
And we run our industries very efficiently. We have been recognized for paying the farmers in 7 days. Whatever is harvested last week, yesterday, Friday, we paid the farmers. Although by law we are supposed to pay in 30 days, West Kenya is known to pay the farmers in 7 days. And that's the same practice we will carry out with the farmers who supply cane to Zoya. And I also want to assure everyone that you will see this nucleus developed to the full extent. Every acre of the nucleus will be planted with cane, because that is what the nucleus is there for, to grow cane for the factory. Of course, the factory also will be renovated. We will start that exercise from Monday, going through the specifics, where are the challenges, what needs to be addressed. Of course, there will be spare parts required. There may be equipment required which have long lead times, but you will see the progress as we go along. I mentioned the issue of pen paper. You know, a lot of bad press has been given to me, especially politicians, that I took over pen paper in 2017 and I've never run it. The fact is, when I took over in 2017, within 6 months, government brought in a logging ban, in fact on 18th February 2018, which was in place until recently, for 7 years. So you can appreciate that how would I run pen paper without the raw material. We are now also engaging with KFS to facilitate the supply of raw material for pen paper. And once we come to an agreement, we will also see different pen paper. Although we are running now pen paper with raw material from recycled paper, but that is not the ideal way to run pen paper. And once we are able to get the raw material from KFS, you will see the change we bring about in pen paper.